Scrap or treasure? This car could be either. What we discovered next changed everything.
It all started with a simple message. At first, we thought it wasn't worth it. But we decided to check it out anyway. The location was far from the city. We finally reached the place. We started looking for it. It had to be here somewhere. And then we saw it. We saw it. It was real. A forgotten classic car.
Yes, sir. The condition was terrible.
Flat tires, damaged panels. The inside was even worse. The engine looked completely dead. Was this just scrap? But then, we noticed something. This could be something special.
We found the owner. He told us the story about what really happened. The car had been sitting for years.
I'm sorry. It's too expensive to fix. There's nothing more I can do for it.
And then he told us the price. It was incredibly cheap.